Welcome back to my channel. Since the banoffee pasta video, I've received requests on how to make caramel. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do just that. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get to the video. So the first thing we're going to do is put a small pot on medium flame, then throw in 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. We want to heat the sugar with the pot and not vice versa. Swirl the sugar around to make sure it lays flat in the pot. We want the sugar to melt to a golden brown color like what you see here. All the sugar may not melt at once, so it might need a bit of help. Take the pot up and swirl it around so that the melted sugar can combine with the dry sugar. Remember to remove it from the heat so that it doesn't continue to cook and run the risk of burning. So just keep swirling the pot around until all the sugar crystals dissolve. At this point, adjust the pot to the lowest flame and add a tablespoon of butter. Once again, take out the pot and swirl it around to get the butter and the sugar combined. This will cause the mixture to bubble, so don't stir it just yet. Wait until the bubbling has subsided, then use a spoon and stir the mixture. At this point, turn off the heat and add 1/3 cup of heavy cream. This will cause the mixture to start bubbling again, so just allow it to calm down a bit, then stir the mixture until it's smooth. It should look like this. Now the fun thing about caramel is that the longer you allow it to rest, is the thicker it gets. And caramel basically goes on everything, so just experiment and see what you like. If you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Until next time, walk good.